All right, YouTube, here we go, here we go, here we go. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale. And today, I am getting ready to do my annual Crappie Assault Vehicle conversion. Well, what does that mean? That means that I am getting ready it is that time where I take my trolling motor, my transducer rather, off of my trolling motor and put it back on this turret so that I can use my spot lock to sit on these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. All right, let's put this turret on here. And then we're gonna be done. It ain't that big a deal. It's not that big of a project. This is why this is one of those things I could do myself. Alright, then all we do is we screw these back together. Then all we do is we just take these and we screw them back together and we are ready to go. Put all these screws in here. Ooh, the sun's coming up, folks. Sun's coming up. I'm gonna be done in another 5 minutes. Now, my turret is already hooked up to my power source. So all I have to do now is plug it in. So the turret simply plugs in around channel and it screws down in place. That ought to do it. Okay, we've got it all installed. We've got it hooked up. Let's see how it works. I'm just gonna push my button here on. Let's see. There we go. We turn it left. We turn it right. And we are all set to go out there and continue the mission to rid the world of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So folks, that is going to wrap it up for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. My installation video, Rite Hite Turret installation video. As always, I thank you all for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches the channel, likes that button, hits that like button. And especially everybody who leaves those comments I don't want to be filming into the sun. To my subscribers, you already know what it is. My long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead, hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. I just realized I don't have my branded shirt on. But what this shirt says is, I got vaccinated, but I still want some of y'all to keep away from me. So until next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.